Every road tech YouTube. Hello friend and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix a dead laptop battery. Perhaps you had some laptop and you try to turn it on and suddenly you can see nothing gonna happen and is still off. Even when you try to connect or disconnect it from the power adapter or change the battery, and still you're gonna get the same result. First of all, we're gonna go see what is gonna happen. Open your laptop and try to turn it on with the power button. As you can see, is nothing happen and no electricity is going through the motherboard on the laptop and is not turned on. I try to close the laptop, turn it back and connect and disconnect the battery and see if it's anything changed. So I try again to turn it on. I use the power button and still nothing gonna happen. So in this case we usually happen with three reasons. It's gonna be BIOS update, and also is a small battery and the motherboard of laptop is probably time to change that. And the third one is we're going to use a direct AC adapter through the laptop, and while I connect this adapter to the laptop, I'm trying to turn it on to see if it's anything changed or not. So I try to push the power button, still nothing happened. So what I gonna do, first of all, check the BIOS version of your laptop or try to change the small battery, CMOS battery on your laptop. And the last part is perhaps the solution is take off the battery and try to connect the AC adapter directly to your laptop. And open it again and try to turn on using the power button. Still nothing happens. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold the power button on the laptop. First take out the AC adapter from the laptop. Okay, and now I have to hold the power button on the laptop for 5 seconds with no any battery or AC adapter. While I am holding that power button, I'm connecting the AC adapter through the back on the laptop, and you will see the light of power button is come up, as you can see on the screen, and it's start to getting electricity through the laptop, and I can turn it on right now. So if I turn on the power button and hold it for a few seconds, it should turn on the laptop again. Yeah, as you can see. So after a while, when you turn that, hold and press F1 key on the keyboard to continue to your operation system, and you can see the Windows is gonna boot through the laptop. So after all, you just have to push back the battery and start to using your laptop again. So I'm putting back the battery on the laptop, and even now if I take off the AC adapter, the laptop is gonna still running. But if you don't change the CMOS battery, after a while, maybe after another few weeks or months, you're gonna have the same issue. But with this method you're gonna keep running the laptop for a emergency situation, and eventually you need to change the battery, or just use this method to keep recharging battery and use it. Good luck.